for this great service. He did an excellent job in excellent time.
Mr. Pinner of Northridge, you're on the air, sir.
Yes, sir. Did a very professional job here at my home in Northridge, and I'm very pleased, and I thought it's extremely reasonable.
1 second, back up. Okay, that's good. Okay, go forward slow. See the roots?
Oh yeah.
All right. Okay, what's going on now?
So we got it cut to 6x4. This is what's left of it. Look inside there, you can see some roots. Inside there. That's a 6-inch pipe, 30 pipe. So we got this cut right here. In this case, the customer wasn't able to do the whole sewer line, but this was the bad spot. So we got it cut at 4-inch, and there's the 6-inch. And we're gonna build it in ABS.
Sounds good.
Champion Plumbing was on time and did a great job.
Thank you very much, Ms. Brown. Appreciate it.
Terrific job, and getting here at
David
noon.
in West Hills, and since we've used Champion for 3 times now, Granger's been great. The service has been excellent.